Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got my first beauty subscription box for April and it is Lookfantastic. If you're interested in this box for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you'll also see my discount code as well, and all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £15 a month for a rolling monthly subscription. Got the option to go for a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription as well. All the boxes have a minimum value of £50 and inside contains 6 beauty treats. This month has a value of over £55. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. A little sneak peek first. They're all jumbled up in there. Some good sizes this month. We have got something for your hair, something for your face, something for your body, something for your nails as well. So let's start off with hair. Umberto Gianni Heat Shield Frizz Control Heat Protecting Spray. Maximum style without the damage for diffusing, curling, ear wrapping and straightening. This is worth over £9 and there's 200 mils there. I really like this. I've never tried it before, but I love heat protecting sprays. Use them all the time. So yeah, I always get excited when I receive them in beauty boxes. It just says eliminates frizz, repels moisture and humidity. Yeah, my hair is super frizzy at the minute. I've just had my tape-in extensions put in today, so she always straightens them and it just looks so nice, and added in a little bit more of an extra length there. But my natural hair is really frizzy. I've lost a lot of hair. It's growing back, but it's growing back frizzy and uncontrollable. So I'm looking forward to trying this. Hopefully it will work on my hair. Then we've got a facial spray. This is by Kanzin. I think that's how you say it. I have received this before in a beauty box, but not for a long while. Perfect skincare, perfect to you. It's a hypochlorous cleansing spray, a lightweight hypochlorous spray that gently removes impurities from the skin, and there's 125 mils here. This is worth, I think it's £19. If I'm wrong, I'll pop it up on the screen. It says spray liberally onto skin and leave to dry naturally. Apply after cleanser, before serums or moisturizers. Use daily, morning and night. Can be applied over makeup and other skincare products to refresh the skin. Bit of a weird one, isn't it? It's a spray that cleanses your face and gently removes impurities. You apply it after cleanser and before serums, and you can apply it throughout the day on top of your makeup as well. Yeah, let's give it a spray. Why am I showing you again? Let's give it a spray. I can't remember much about this at all. Oh, right. Is it a powerful one? Yeah, it is. It's nice. That's all I'm doing because I'll soak my hair. I just love the feeling of sprays on my face. Oh, so nice. So you've got a facial spray there. Then we've got a sheet mask, and this is by Beauty Pro. This is Bakuchiol, a natural retinol alternative, and it contains Bakuchiol, pomegranate and neroli oil for all skin types, and this is worth over £8. And there's instructions on the back there on how to use it. So you've got a sheet mask. Next up, we got a duo from L'Occitane, and this is from their Almond Sublime range. So you've got a hand cream and a body cream here. The body cream is worth £6.50, and we've got 20 mils. Smoothing milk concentrate. Let's open it up. Try, see how thick it is. I haven't tried this. Is there a difference between the normal Almond range? Is Almond Sublime? Is it more luxurious but the same scent? It feels so good. Nice and soft, smells really nice as well. And the hand cream is worth £4.50. And we've got a little one here, 10 mil on this hand. So really nice and thick. I love L'Occitane hand creams. They're so good. Really nice. Oh, just instantly. Oh gosh, my hands are in need of care. I love the smell. 2 products from the same brand there. And we have got, oh, this is pretty. I'm sure I've had this before. This is Active Shine by Manicurist Paris. It's a highlighting care polish, Opal. This is full size and it is worth £14. It's so, so pretty, isn't it? Really, really nice. So this type of polish that I put on my toes. Highlighting care polish. It's pretty. And then we've got a sample of Alien Perfume. This is Extra Intense by Mugler. It's Perfume and there's 1.2 mils there. This is a nice spray. This spray. It's really nice. Does it say about top notes and all that? Extraordinary intensity, a fiery jasmine, a vanilla accord, and an extreme cashmeran. Brave, the floral thrill, floral woody, eau de parfum intense. Yeah, it's nice. It's not something I'd normally go for, but it is a really nice perfume. It's, if someone walked past me and they were wearing that, I'd be like, ooh, you smell nice. And there you go, those are all the items in the April Lookfantastic beauty box. So we have a little sample of Alien Perfume. We got the hand and body cream by L'Occitane. Active Shine nail polish by Manicurist. Got Bacachiol sheet mask by Beauty Pro. Kanzen Hypochlorous cleansing spray. And lastly, Heat Shield by Umberto Gianni. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Do you think it's a good one? Are you a subscriber? You're looking forward to receiving it? Or you're thinking, do you know what? It's not for me this month. I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.